Are you a freelance business or local agency and struggling to scale up due to A, never having enough consistent leads coming into the business, or B, finding that every time you take on more clients, you have clients cancelling because of company operations? If so, then you're in the right place. We have around 600 clients paying us yearly or monthly retainers to manage their marketing campaigns. We also get around 80 to 100 inbound leads to the agency from our ideal clients asking us to manage their digital marketing campaigns, which enables us to scale up every single month. These inbound leads are coming in from YouTube, social media channels, and our website. And the great thing is, we don't spend any money on ads. It's all organic traffic. In these modules, we've put together everything we do in our agency gained from over a decade of first-hand experience. We'll cover mastering and automating local marketing campaigns for your clients, strategies to grow profits every month, niching down to scale up. We also show you how to get agency leads on autopilot, which covers building and launching your YouTube channel, similar to the one you're watching now, to get more leads. Social media strategy, how to push out content that gets thousands of monthly views and converts to leads. Optimizing your agency website to rank on Google so it consistently churns out leads. We then go into how to do agency service delivery. This module covers how to get results for clients without working on them yourself, which will help you scale up. And we also cover how to hire great talent. Basically, the staff you have will make or break your agency. So we show you our processes on how we hire staff. You get lifetime access to the modules and we continually update them to keep up with the latest trends and advancements in the industry. So click the link in the description to secure your spot and we'll see you in there.